In this problem, we're given the polynomial 3x cubed minus 11x squared plus 6x. And we're asked to either factor this completely, or if there is no factorization, simply write prime. So the first thing we want to do when we're looking to factor this is look at each term of our polynomial and see if there's anything common that we can take out of each thing. And if we look, there's at least one power of x in each term of our polynomial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that x out front, and by our rules for exponents, if we pull one of the x's out, we have to subtract 1 from the power. So our 3x cubed becomes 3x squared minus 11x plus 6. The next thing we want to look at is the 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 to see if we can break that down any further. Our x is just going to come along. And if we can break this down further, we need our first two terms to multiply to 3x squared. So right there I'm going to put the 3x, and over here I'm going to put an x, because when we multiply those together, when we FOIL, those become 3x squared. So next, we need to find two numbers that add up to negative 11 but multiply to positive 6. And the way we're going to do that is with two negative numbers. And the numbers that end up working here are minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, if we want to go back and check our answer, we can just FOIL that. So if we look at our 3x minus 2 and our x minus 3, when we FOIL that, we take our 3x times x, which gives us 3x squared. Next we do 3x times the negative 3, which gives us minus 9x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And then the minus 2 times the minus 3 gives us a positive 6. Okay, so when we combine our like terms, we get 3x squared minus 11x plus 6. And if we multiply by our x, which is still out front, we end up with 3x cubed minus 11x squared plus 6x, which is our original polynomial. So we know that our factorization works.